You knew I had to get this one. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out here. Hope you're all looking after yourselves. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're reviewing the Jordan 4 SB Navy variation, the second variation of the Jordan 4 SB. But before we look at this, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro, 808 Kicks ATL. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks_ATL. Go show him some love and support, because he always comes and shows the channel love and support. And also, guys, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast. We talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And also, guys, keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing to keep growing, to keep excelling, to keep hitting your targets and your goals, because I want you to win. You guys need to keep winning, because you need to be awesome, you need to be great, and you need to keep killing it, guys, like we do on this channel. And also, guys, like I said at the start of the review, like I said at the start of the video, we're looking at the Jordan 4 SB Navy variation. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, we're looking at the Jordan 4 SB Navy variation, a sneaker that is basically being anticipated. And this is the second variation that's come out to the public. We've seen the Jordan 4 SB red variation that's going for crazy numbers at this moment in time. Some people are spending 40 grand on it, some people are spending 10 grand on it. But this is my personal opinion. I feel like that sneaker's going to come out in the next couple of years, because they retooled the Jordan 4 to the SB variation, and I think they're going to try and make their money back for it. And by doing that, they will release way more Jordan 4 SBs. This red variation will come out to the public, so don't go crazy and spend absolutely ridiculous amount of money on a sneaker that will be coming out in the next couple of years. The pine green Jordan 4 SBs came out in March 2023. This came out in March 2025. So I expect to see that maybe 2026 or 7. Don't go in for the hype, guys. Wait for that sneaker to come out, because I feel like that sneaker will come out eventually. But without further ado, let's take a look at the box and the sneaker, because hey, presto, shabang, this is what the box looks like. Just like the actual original pine green boxes, we've got the SB box on there with the Jumpman, with the actual flight on top of the box as well, which looks absolutely dope. You could, the actual box all around is pretty much similar to the actual pine greens. And if you haven't seen the review for the pine greens, go and check it out. It's on my channel, guys. And also on top of that, you got it affiliated right in the box as well. Inside the box, just gonna open this up. Obviously, you've got the SB branding on it as well. Inside the box, you got tissue paper, which is basically normal, like every other like splattered print, cement print tissue paper. And then you got extra tissue paper inside that basically encapsulate the sneaker. And it gives you extra protection to make sure your sneakers, when you tuck them away, are nice and tucked away. That's what the box or basically box on the inside looks like. The actual box logo looks like this, should be like this, should come like this. It always will be like this if it's legit, guys. This came from Flat Spot. I actually won it on a raffle. Lucky enough, this was the last raffle. And then they dropped it as exclusive access on the Sneakers app. So everybody got a pair. And this is when I'm going to kind of give you that disclaimer. Don't believe what they tell you on social platforms, because this was supposed to be super limited. They were saying there's limited pairs. It's going to come to the skate shops. They dropped in the States as a link. Basically, if you were aware, if you're following the right person, you would absolutely get that sneaker and link it and kind of cop out. That was great. And in the UK, they dropped it and it kind of semi-sat a little while, and then people picked it up, and I think the smaller size is kind of still sitting at this moment in time. So don't believe the hype, guys. Go in for the sneaker and go in like you need to get it, because obviously sometimes you kind of get told fairy tales. But this sneaker was readily available, easy to get in my personal opinion. I got it on the skate shop raffle, which is great. I could have copped it on the Sneakers app because they gave exclusive access to everybody in the UK, which was awesome. But also, guys, like I said, the box label reads Air Jordan 4 Retro Special Project SP Summit Summit white, white navy, basically that's what the colors on the box are. It's a UK 10, which is my size, so wait for the N for the on feet. US 11 for the guys in the US, and obviously EU 45 for the guys in the Europe actual sizing range. The actual box logo is DR5415100. Make sure it reads like that, make sure it comes like that, make sure it is exactly like this, guys. And if you wasn't able to cop a pair and you're trying to cop it on the resale market, make sure it's like that. And the best places to get is, you know where to get them, guys. Make sure you get it from legit places. Make sure you double check your sneakers if you get it on the resale market. But without further ado, let's take a look at these sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey, presto shebang. And as you can see, guys, this is the Jordan 4 SB navy variation, the second variation to come out to the public, and it is an absolutely delightful sneaker to have in hand. There's subtle differences between the pine greens. I'm going to do a comparison between this and the pine green 4s, or the SB pine green 4s, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on what my favorite is. But guys, as you can see, this is the navy variation. The navy hits the midsole at the front panel, the navy hits the midsole at the back panel, the navy hits the basketball eyelets at the top and the bottom there of the actual laces, and obviously the back is where it comes special, because on the back you've got the Nike swoosh SB, the SB logo on the back of the sneaker with that actual navy back tab, which is absolutely dope. And you've got the back tab like the pine greens, like the first variation which was introduced with that rubber, which is the PSG 4s. That's where this actually came from, and that inspiration was basically driven onto the SB 4s, and that makes it way more comfortable for the guys that wear Jordan 4s that actually cut their back of their ankles, because this will not cut the back of your ankles. This was not going to happen with this actual back tab. This is soft, it's not going to cut the back of your ankles. You got more of that navy that hits the back of your actual tongue there as well, and you've got the tongue tag with the red Jumpman and the actual navy flight, which is nice, which is absolutely beautiful to see. And obviously, guys, I think I'm going to kind of take the insole out and actually have a look at it, because it comes with tissue paper. Remember, the new variations of Jordan 4s use tissue papers rather than the actual shoe trees that actually used to have. And now when you pull this out, it is got that Dream Cell insole, which is more of that thinner insole, and then you've got red that hits the actual insole itself with the Nike Air SB on that, which is nice to see, as on both sneakers as well. And obviously, like I said, the sneaker has a bit more red because of the insole, and you've got more of that red on the air bubble there as well. If you can see that, guys, that is a red air unit as well, clear but red air unit on the actual air bubble, where the actual reflects more of that red of that Jumpman. But what is nice on this sneaker is what I like is basically gum outsoles are absolutely beautiful, and the SB does it well with the pine greens, and the SB does it well with this sneaker, which has got that gum on the toe and gum on the heel with more of that white and that red swoosh and Nike on it, which is absolutely fire. This is my sneaker. Wait for the end for the on feet, because I'm definitely going to wear this. The leather on this looks nice. I'm going to say it looks nice. Be careful with these actual 4s. Be careful with the sneakers you get, because you do get a little bit of a notch there, because when you have the sneakers back to back, these actual tabs will actually notch it, especially if you're wearing, especially if you've got bigger sneakers with harder actual tabs, you will actually dig into it. That has actually happened on some variations of the 4, so you got to actually have a look at these. This actually came from Flat Spot, so I didn't have a chance to look at it. There's not major defects on it. The quality is fire on it. There's no quality issues on both of these actual sides. Left and right hand side is fire, and obviously the material is what we're looking forward to, and the material on this is soft. It is like the pine greens. It feels like the pine greens, and it just is quality all round. The quality on the actual leather is nice, is great quality, just like the actual original variation of the pine green Jordan 4 SBs, and it just kind of brings the same quality. I'm going to touch on the actual review, the comparisons between the finishes, but the quality on the leather is exactly the same between the pine green Jordan 4s and this, and it always comes down to your choice of colorway. Either you like the green variation or either you like the blue variations, and a lot of people have mixed feelings, and a lot of people are edging this sneaker towards the military blue Jordan 4s as well, because it's got a similar colorway, but we'll touch on that on the comparison. And the suede on this is nice as well. The suede on the sneaker, on the front toe or the front mudguard, is nice as well. I need to take out the pine greens because I feel like this is more flatter. I think the pine greens may have softer suede, but I need to double check that. But this is nice as well in comparison. It is a beautiful sneaker in hand, and this will be on my feet at the end of the review, so watch out for that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. But like I do in this channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective, I'm going to give you that boot reaction back perspective with the Nike SB on the back, that lateral side and that medial side. Look at that blue wrap around that midsole on that medial side. They give you that beautiful outsole, and then give you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep bringing that heat. Make sure you bring that heat to the streets, guys. Bang, bang, and bang. The resale on this is not much. It's about maybe 20 to 30 pounds over, so I don't know how it converts to dollars, but it's not that much. This is more readily available, which is great. This is what I love about getting sneakers like this, because it means you are able to get sneakers that are beautiful like this to your hands and on your feet, which is very important on this channel, because wear your sneakers, guys. It's important. And also, I think over time, maybe if you were trying to resell this, you've got to wait a long time to get that resale price up. It's not like the pine greens. The pine greens are way more limited than this variation, and this variation, like every variation of Jordans that you get, the second variation is more mass produced, and this is one of them, guys. This was more of a sneaker that was readily available, and it's beautiful to see, and it's beautiful to get in your hands. This is getting my super goat as well. I think this is a nice sneaker, absolutely beautiful to wear on your feet, and it gives you the same thickness and comfort just like the actual original pine greens. It's going to be comfortable to wear. I've worn the pine green Jordan 4s. This is going to be similar. This is going to be a sneaker that's been retooled to be actually worn by skateboarders. It's going to be super comfortable to wear. It's going to be super soft as well. So go and wear your sneakers, guys, and that's the most important thing. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back, and thank you for always showing love and support, guys. But for me, a tune to at the end for the on feet. But for me, TJ, I love Good Customs. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ, until the next review, peace out for now, guys, and peace.
I just discovered Crown and iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now, you know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth, I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce, I swear I'm the truth, I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like Troop. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference, I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin', I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing, nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing, I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon, I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message, if I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. Boy, I swear I'm the truth, I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce, I swear I'm the truth, I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth, I'm coming back with more flavors, put it all on the table. Similar to Jada, maybe it'll dawn on you later. I stay true to my nature, boy, I ain't never been a hater. I'm suave like Draper, may not eat all my papers. Deaf to all the fakers, I'm just keeping it player. Out for vengeance like Vader, I'ma stay on the radar. Young in spirit, old soul, that's my gift from the maker. Walk the earth and sprinkle nourishment, something you can savor. You'll be thanking me later, humble piece in the cut. I've been thinking too much, let me open the cover. Eat it up, don't be stubborn, let me add a little mustard. Ain't that good to your belly, I hate to see you suffer. And it's gonna make you tougher, and it's pure, ain't no buffer. Ain't no hoe you can couple, 100